If you want to build a website these days, then you have several free and paid options to choose from. So which option do you go with? To help make this decision, let's look at what others are doing to create their websites. Why reinvent the wheel if you don't have to? Well, after a little digging in the search engines, you're going to see that one site builder is used by millions of users more than even the second place builder, and that's WordPress. You see, WordPress powers almost 30% of all the websites on the internet. Other builders like Joomla, Drupal, Wix, and Squarespace, just to name a few, do not even come close to the popularity of WordPress. For example, WordPress holds roughly 60% market share of the website building platforms, and the number 2 slot is Joomla, then Drupal, and the remaining percentage is divided up amongst all the other site builders out there, and there are a lot of them. One thing to note with these huge numbers for WordPress to be your site builder is that when it comes to the actual building of the website, just how easy it is. A lot of these other site builders are just as easy as WordPress. You fill out some information, press a couple of buttons, and within a couple of minutes you have a functioning website. This is why there are fans of these other site builders like Squarespace and Wix. But two big items in my book that will quickly make me and many others not such a big fan of these other site builders, and that is flexibility and who owns the data. The data issue being the most important, well, for me anyway. For example, Wix even says in their own support section that since you are using their servers, the data on your site is theirs. And I quote, "Your Wix site and all its content is hosted exclusively on Wix's servers and cannot be transferred elsewhere," end quote. And when it comes to flexibility, well, WordPress is hands down the big winner in that department. If you want to change how your WordPress site looks, you can in a couple of mouse clicks by changing the theme. And there are thousands of available themes, both free and paid for. Plus, if you want to add extra whistles and bells to your WordPress site, well, there are tens of thousands of plugins or applications that with a couple of mouse clicks, you can install and activate that plugin. So I encourage you to do your own Googling and see for yourself why WordPress should be your website builder of choice, or just take my word for it. Either way, I'm confident that you will come to the same conclusion that millions of other WordPress site owners have come to. This is going to bring us to the end of this video on why you should choose WordPress as your website creation tool. Thanks for checking it out, and you have a great day.